it kept it cool on a run stand. But you know what? I drove it through town, put 10 miles or so on it the other day, as I was saying earlier, and the engine ran at 180, transmission ran at 155, 95-degree day.
At the second annual No Name Nationals, brought to you by the American Hot Rod Association. Here comes the 1962 Valley. Here comes the tree. Boom. And it doesn't get any green in the red. Well, Tony's got plenty of power. What he doesn't have is traction. Turns off the timer, and now he's going to put the brakes on. Here comes the tree. Boom. Tony's got plenty of power. What he doesn't have is traction. The prop sector edition. It is the prop sector edition. He finally got a handle on his traction issue. It ran real well last time. It almost sounded like he left in second gear. This is Tony's Hot Rod Garage. It's got a 451 cubic inch big block. It's on street radials right now. Cooper Cobra radial GT. Looks like about 275, 60 on it. And it absolutely incinerated these tires last time down the track. And he's trying to do the same thing again. Now he's got a whistle. But this thing carries out the back door in a hurry. With a really cool red hats that you see out here. Man, those are awesome. There's a Dodge looking for traction but not finding any. Trying to catch up with the shuttle. He might get him. Just ran out of racetrack. Man, he had the top end charge, that's for sure. And for the angriest treatment of the tires on the racing surface, this is my nomination. This is Tony's Hot Rod Garage out of Princeton, Arizona. And this here Dodge truck doesn't like these tires. It's only lost RPM. Taking the wind light against the Dungaroo. If you can get that scrubber to work, plant the rear tires on the track, and away we go. Oh, much better launch for Tony. Oh, as soon as he rolls into the second gear on the car. So far out. Nice pass for him. The truck, he was turning the tires through most of the second gear. Across the line, He's back grabbing that accelerator.